Krishna Nidhi Clubhouse. Hi friends, welcome back. Do you know festival time is a fun time? Festivals bring happiness to the family. We celebrate many festivals throughout the year. Let's see the names of festivals and special days. So let's start. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel Krishna Nidhi Clubhouse. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is a Hindu festival which is celebrated on 14th January every year. People enjoy this festival by flying kites and eating sweets. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. We light lamps and burst the firecrackers during Diwali. We share sweets and gifts with each other. Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. We spray water and colors on each other. Eid. We celebrate Eid at the end of the holy month of Ramzan. Dashera. Dashera is a festival that marks the victory of good over evil. We burn the dummies of Ravan during Dashera. Ganesh Chaturthi. During this festival, people pray Lord Ganesha with great devotion and admiration. The festival celebrates the birthday of Hindu deity Lord Ganesha, who is believed to be the remover of obstacles of life. Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a festival to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. People make pyramids and break the earthen pot that is called matki, filled with makhan during this festival. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brothers and sisters. The sisters ties a rakhi on the brother's waist and the brother gives her gift. Guru Purab. On Guru Purab, we pray in Gurdwara. We take out processions and burst firecrackers. Christmas. We celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. We decorate the Christmas tree with lights and gifts. We give gifts to each other. So let's see some special days that we celebrate. Birthday. Birthday is a special day on which person is born. We celebrate the birthday of each family member. Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. This day is most important day for Indians. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. We hoist national flag and sing national anthem. It is a national holiday on Independence Day. Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. It is celebrated on the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was the great Indian freedom fighter. He was called the father of our nation. Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. We show love and respect to our teachers on this day. So these were the festivals and special days we celebrate in our country. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.